4,800 for 4,000.
I'm sorry, who was that?
Sorry, Snowcap 20 X-ray, we're crossing 4,700 for 4,000 inbound also.
Mike Hotel, Victor 20 X-ray, New York, altimeter 2982. Expect the RNAV Yankee runway 19. How much time do you have left in fuel?
Roger, altimeter 2982 for the RNAV 19er, current endurance 53 minutes left to 0 X-ray.
Okay. Alright, no worries. Descend and maintain 3000, 20 X-ray.
Thank you, descend and maintain 3000, Snowcap 20 X-ray.
The 20 X-ray, descend and maintain 2000 now.
Descend and maintain 2000, Snowcap 20 X-ray.
Snowcap 20 X-ray, the tower wants to know, do you have a fuel leak?
Negative fuel leak, Snowcap 20 X-ray.
You just used all the fuel.
Hey, firm, 20 X-ray.
Alright, 20 X-ray, you're 3 from Unville, cross Unville at 2000, you're cleared for the RNAV Yankee 19.
Roger, thank you, cross Unville at 2000, cleared RNAV 19, Snowcap 20 X-ray.
Excellent 950, contact the tower 11905, you take care.
Tower, thanks for your help today, excellent 950.
No problem.
Snowcap 20 X-ray, reduce the final approach speed, contact Teterboro Tower 119.5.
Final approach speed, I'm 119.5, Snowcap 20 X-ray, thanks.
Take care.
Tower, hello, Snowcap 20 X-ray, established RNAV, runway 19.
Snowcap 20 X-ray, Teterboro Tower, wind 190 at runway 19, clear lane. Safe parking.
Clear land, runway 19, thank you, parking JetAviation, Snowcap 20 X-ray.
Rescue 1, Rescue 2, that traffic, 6 mile final has the fuel emergency. Snowcap 20 X-ray, just to understand, are you minimum fuel or you actually have a fuel emergency, like leaking fuel or something?
No, we don't have any fuel leaks, sir. It was simply due to the minimum fuel. The earlier routing was going to mean that we would have a problem.
Okay, so you're just minimum fuel.
Hey, fair, minimum fuel, 20 X-ray.
Right. Now, Rescue 1, Rescue 2, I don't know if you want to go in. This guy, on a 4 mile final, is just minimum fuel, no emergency.